Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome to our English class.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, you just see the picture and answer me. What do you observe from this picture?
Ma'am, this is a forest.
Very good.
And here are two animals.
Yes.
One is a crow, another one is fox.
Very good. Okay. Can you say me what are the two characters and the name of these two characters in this picture? We have already discussed in our previous class.
Yes, ma'am. The name of the fox is Renard and the name of the bird is Raven.
Very good. Very good. So, in this picture, there are two characters. One is Renard and the Raven. Based on these two characters, the story will be going on. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, you see the picture and say, what do you think the meaning of cunning? Can you say me?
Ma'am, cunning means fox is a cunning animal.
Yes.
Clever. Cunning means clever.
Yes, you are right. Cunning means clever. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us read the poem aloud. The name of the poem is The Raven and the Fox. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, I will read. After that, you will follow me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb, and Renard the fox looked up at him. For the raven held in his great big beak a morsel the fox would go far to seek. Said the fox in admiring tones, "My word, Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird. Such feathers, if you would only sing, the birds of these woods would call you king." You listen the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you repeat with me. Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb,
Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb,
and Renard the fox looked up at him.
and Renard the fox looked up at him.
For the raven held in his great big beak
For the raven held in his great big beak
a morsel the fox would go far to seek.
a morsel the fox would go far to seek.
Said the fox in admiring tones,
Said the fox in admiring tones,
"My word,
My word,
Sir Raven,
Sir Raven,
you are a handsome bird.
you are a handsome bird.
Such feathers,
Such feathers,
if you would only sing,
if you would only sing,
the birds of these woods would call you king."
the birds of these woods would call you king.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can I read the poem again?
Yes, you can read.
Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb, and Renard the fox looked up at him. For the raven held in his great big beak a morsel the fox would go far to seek. Said the fox in admiring tones, "My word, Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird. Such feathers, if you would only sing, the birds of these woods would call you king."
Very good, very good. You just repeat this stanza at your home so that you will remember the poem very nicely. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing you notice that I have highlighted some words in red color.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are new for you.
Yes, ma'am. These words are new for me.
Okay. I will explain these words later on. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here are some new words along with some rhyming words. These things we will discuss later on. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here is also another stanza of the poem. Let us read. Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb, and Renard the fox looked up at him. For the raven held in his great big beak a morsel the fox would go far to seek. Said the fox in admiring tones, "My word, Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird. Such feathers, if you would only sing, the birds of these woods would call you king. You just look at the picture. Just look at the picture and tell me what you observe in this picture.
Ma'am, in the first picture, there is a crow, that means raven bird.
Yes.
The raven bird is holding a piece of food.
Yes, yes.
In his piece of food, or biting a piece of food. Okay?
Yes, yes.
In the second picture, ma'am, the fox is watching or waiting for something.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right. I am just summarizing. Before that, let us discuss some rhyming words are here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you?
Rhyming words is new for.
Yes.
Is
yes.
new.
Yes. Can you say what is the meaning of rhyming words?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me tell. The rhyming words are those words who have the same pronunciation but different meaning. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You just write down on your notebook the words having this different meaning but same pronunciation.
Same sounds, different meanings.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am here highlighting some of the rhyming words. In the first two line, just tell me the last word of the first line.
Madam, limb.
Yes, yes. Then the last word of the second line.
Him.
Yes. So the rhyming word of limb is
Him.
very good. Similarly, in the second stanza, find out the last word of the first line.
Ma'am, big.
Very good. Similarly, in the second line, what is the last word?
Ma'am, sick.
Yes. So the rhyming word of big is sick.
Yes, ma'am.
In the first stanza, we have discussed limb, him. Then in the second, big, sick.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Limb, him, big, sick.
Yes. In the next line, what is the last word of the line?
My word.
My word. Yes, you are right. Then similarly, the last word of the second line is
Ma'am,
what?
bird.
Bird. So here the rhyming word is my word and bird. Okay. Similarly, in the last line, what is the last word? Last word in the last line?
Ma'am, sing.
Sing. Very good. Then what is the rhyming word of the sing?
Ma'am, king.
King. So here we have seen that 4 pairs of rhyming word. I am just repeating so that you will remember. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Limb, him.
Limb, him,
Big, sick.
big, sick.
My word, bird.
My word, bird.
Sing, king.
Sing, king.
Okay. So these are the rhyming words. So,
Ma'am, can I write this?
yes. Definitely you should write down on your note copy.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are the rhyming words. Beside this, I am just summarizing the poem here. What I have shown you that I want to summarize. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here the that bird holds some pieces of food, which you can say morsel, in his beak. Because the birds have different types of beak, so he hold a piece of food in his beak.
Yes.
And on the ground, the fox that is eagerly waiting how to catch that pieces of food. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go to our next discussion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in previous class, I have told you there are some new words, and I will discuss it later on. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here are some new words for you. Okay.
I wrote these words.
Okay. So what is the first word is for you? Can
Ma'am,
you tell
paused.
me? Paused. Can you say me what you will observe in the picture, or you can relate the picture with the word? Just think and then tell me.
Ma'am, in this picture,
In the first picture.
a colorful bird is sitting on the branch of a tree.
Very good. A bird is sitting on the branch of a tree. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So can you guess what is the meaning of a paused?
I'm sitting.
Yes, sitting or resting on
The
something.
bird was paused on a branch.
Just let me discuss the exact meaning of paused. Just see, this is the meaning of paused. Sitting or resting on something.
Yes, ma'am.
Here the bird is sitting on the branch of a tree.
Ma'am, can I write?
Yes. Everything you should write on your copy.
Sitting or resting on something.
Example, the bird was perched on a branch.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then go to the second one. Here, what is the word I have written here?
Limb. Ma'am, limb.
Limb. This is a new word for you, or you have heard this word before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, limb. Can you relate the picture with the word?
Ma'am, in this picture, this is a branch.
Branch, and in the branch there are some leaves are also in the branch,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me tell the exact meaning of the limb. Limb is here the branch of a tree. Okay.
Yes.
Just read out the example.
The limbs of the tree are swinging in the wind.
Okay.
Yes.
So limb means the branch of a tree. Here the branch of a tree. Similarly, in human body, there are two pairs of limb. You just remember later on you will study in your science class. That is the forelimb and hind limb. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am.
So the third one, what is the new word for you? Just read out the word.
Ma'am, looked up.
Looked up. In this picture, what the boys and the girls are doing?
The boy and girl, both of them are watching the sky.
Very
or looking up the sky.
Very good. Watching or looking the sky or bird or aeroplane, anything else.
Yes.
That we cannot find. But they are just look above. Yes or no?
Look above.
Yes. So let's see what is the meaning. Example.
The kids looked up the aeroplane in the sky.
The kids looked up the aeroplane in the sky. There may be aeroplane, there may be sky, there may be birds, there may be branches of tree, anything there may be, they are looked up. Looked up means to looking above or up. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then go to the next word. What is the picture showing? The first picture.
Ma'am, this is a beak of the bird.
Very good. This is what is the color of the beak?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is the color of the bird?
Blue.
Blue. Yes, blue, and the beak is yellow color. That means the beak is the mouth of the, you can say the mouth of the bird. Okay?
Okay.
So also you remember different birds have different types of beak to hold the food of the bird. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So here is one example. Just read out the sentence.
The bird used its beak to crack the seed.
Very good. The bird used its beak to crack or to break the seed. Okay. So beak is the mouth of the bird. Okay. So next word is the seek. What is the boy doing here?
Ma'am, the boy is closing his eyes. And his other friends.
They are playing in the playground. Okay. So seek means what? The meaning of the seek is to look or to find a new thing. Seek means to search, to look the lost thing or to find a new thing.
Search.
Search is also the synonyms of seek.
Synonyms.
So example is I am seeking my English book. Okay.
Okay.
The next word is
Admire.
What is the picture shows to you?
Ma'am, the girl is praying.
Yes.
And a boy is standing behind the girl.
The boy is standing behind the girl. The boy is having a football is also with that boy, and the girl is praying, holding her hands together, praying to God. That means the picture shows the sense of respect towards each other. Okay.
Yes.
So admire means I admire your dedication, your sincerity for learning, for doing any work, to respect somebody else. Okay. To understand the sense of sincerity, honesty, dedication, that is admire. Okay.
Okay.
The last one, what is the word is written here?
Ma'am, feathers.
Feathers. What are the pictures showing you?
Ma'am, this is a feather of the bird.
Bird. What is the color of the feather?
Black color, ma'am.
Black color. So example is birds have feathers. You can also say birds have different types of feathers having different colors. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have discussed so many new words. Everything you have to write down on your copy. Also you remember all the words. And the words are just recap the words. What are those words? Just tell me.
Ma'am, beak,
beak,
seek,
seek,
admire,
admire,
feathers,
feathers,
looked up,
looked up,
paused,
paused.
limb.
Very good. Next, go to our next discussion. Okay. So here is some assessment question for you. Those we have already discussed in the previous text. Based on those text, I have some assessment question. You remember or recall yourself. Then you will give me the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So find the question number 1. Find the rhyming words of the following words. Just read out the words.
Ma'am, bird, king, beak, limb.
Very good. What is the rhyming word of bird?
Ma'am, word,
Word. Then what is the rhyming word of king?
sing,
What is the rhyming word of beak?
beak, seek,
Very good. Then what is the rhyming word of limb?
him.
Very good. Let us check me. What are the other rhyming words for these words? You have told only one word. There are
Yes.
also other words. Let me check and discuss. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So bird. There are also other rhyming words like glad, hard, word.
Yes, ma'am.
Then king.
Ring, ping, sing,
Very good. Then beak.
teak, leak, seek,
Very nice. At last limb.
slim, trim, him.
Okay. You just see how many words are there for a single rhyming word.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So everything you have to remember. Okay. Then next go to the second question. Make sentences by using the words. Okay. Here are some words for you. You have to make some meaningful sentence.
okay, ma'am.
So first one is looked up.
Looked up. Ma'am, he looked up the sky.
Okay. Very good. Then feathers.
Birds have feathers.
Feathers. Admire.
I admire my mother's hard work.
Very good. Let me check what other sentence can be framed by using these words.
Yes, ma'am.
Looked up. The child looked up the sky. This is also correct. Feathers. The bird dropped their feathers while flying. This is also another sentence you can frame.
Yes, ma'am.
Then admire. I admire your courage.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can frame any sentence by taking these words. Okay,
Yes,
but
yes.
that sentence should be very meaningful and effective.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. The name of the fox is dash. Raven or Reynard?
Ma'am, Reynard.
Let me check. Yes, you are absolutely right. And the second one, Mr. Raven had dash in his beak. A piece of food or a bunch of leaves?
A piece of food.
Very good. Let me check whether your answer is right or wrong. Very good. This is absolutely right answer. Mr. Raven had a piece of food in his beak. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then here are some comprehension questions. You have to remember the text. Then you will answer. So first one is, who was sitting on the tree?
Ma'am, who was sitting on the tree? The raven bird was sitting on the branch of a tree.
Very good. Okay, let me check. Yes, raven bird was sitting on the tree. Okay. Then the next question, what did the fox want from the raven? Can you remember the answer of this question? What
Yes.
did the fox want from the raven?
The fox wanted the morsel from the raven's beak.
Okay. Here just I want to know what is the meaning of morsel?
Ma'am, a piece of food.
Okay, a piece of food, or you can say some pieces of chocolates.
Yes, ma'am.
Ne?
Yes.
Yes or no? These are called morsel. Okay.
Yes.
So let me check whether your answer is right or wrong. Yes, the fox wanted the morsel of food from the raven. The next question, what lesson do you learn from the story? Every story has some moral or lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have discussed so many stanzas of this poem. So there is a small learning part, or you can say the moral of the story. Can you say me that lesson or moral?
Ma'am, what lesson do you learn from the story?
Yes.
And that means we learn never believe on the flattering words of anyone.
Again, you are saying a new thing, that is flattering words.
Flattering, you told me in the last
yes,
class.
Yes, just
time.
explain me.
Flattering means the Renard impressed the raven bird by telling, handsome bird, your voice is so sweet. Like these words are flattering words.
You are the king of the wood.
Yes, you are the king of the wood.
So these are the flattering words, or you can say some attractive words.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes, impressive words.
Yes.
Impressive words.
Let me discuss. Yes, we should never get carried away by flattery. Okay, this is the lesson that we learn from this story. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is all about today's class. Are you enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
You enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
खुशी रे शिखिबा समस्तंकर अधिकार। नमस्कार।